naked 3, naked 4, naked 5, naked cherry palette, okay? Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be you guys seeing me trying on my new makeup right here live, so you guys get the full jazz exactly of how I feel about this product. I've been doing a little bit of some high-end shopping today, so if you're interested to see just my honest thoughts on everything that I used today, there's no filter, literally no filter, then please just keep on watching. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and you turn on that notification bell so you actually get notified whenever I do put up a video. So let's jump right into this video. So for time reasons, I already put on my brows and cleaned them up and all that stuff. I actually got two foundations. Once I got the Perfect Match by L'Oreal in the color W7, and the other one I got the Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation by Maybelline New York. Now I actually did use the Perfect Match before, so I'm not going to be using this one obviously. I have never used this one by Maybelline, so I'm super excited. I just ordered this shade. I had no idea what my shade was because again I never used it before, but I think I can make this work. From what I remember, this foundation was already on the market before, but they kind of reformulated it. It looks like it might be a little bit too warm for me right now, but again I'm just gonna try to figure this out. It does come with the pump, which I'm really excited about, and I'm gonna use my Real Technique sponge to blend it in. Yeah, it's a little warm, but I can make it work. It's pretty much full coverage. I have seen some foundations that have definitely been more full coverage than this one, but it's definitely not bad at all. I don't know if you guys are interested, because honestly I'm probably going to be filming this video, take some photos for the G, and then I'm probably going to take it off again. But if you guys are interested, I will totally be fine with filming an 8-hour foundation review for you guys. Just let me know in the comments down below if there's something you would care for. Alright, for concealer, I got something that I was actually eyeballing for a long time, okay? But this thing was a little bit pricey, which is why I was kind of on the fence and I didn't really know about the shade and stuff. Again, if you order from online, yes, you can send the products back, but it's just like kind of like inconvenient and stuff. It's the Long Lasting Softening Concealer with SPF 30, and this is in the shade 03 Beige Amber. This is how this bad boy looks. This is the packaging it comes in. Lancome packaging is honestly like the most beautiful thing like ever. Now this does not come with like any type of applicator, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply also a little bit of the back of my hand. It's a little more neutral. Again, the foundation is really warm. Wow, this blends out super easily. Okay, it blends out very easily. I think it says on there that it is a softening concealer, and it definitely is. It is not super matte, it is very moisturizing, and it blends out like a dream. This could easily become one of my new favorite concealers, you guys, and I'm so happy that the color actually matches. So next I got this TooFaced Dark Chocolate Soleil Longwear Matte Bronzer right here, and you guys, I really hope that this color matches me, okay, because I'm like super obsessed. I heard so many great things about this. I'm just like sometimes a little hesitant about certain things, not because everybody jumps on something, I just run out there and get it. I don't know, I just don't really like doing that. I don't really think it's a smart decision to make, because there's literally so many beauty products that people and companies are pumping out at the moment. It's just not realistic for a day-to-day normal person to just stay on top of the game and just purchase everything that every company comes out with. So yeah, but again, I actually did want to pick this up, and I finally did. So you're gonna see how I like it and if I like it. Now one thing that I want to mention is this does look a little light. I honestly do not know how this is gonna work, if this is even gonna work for me, because I don't know, we'll see. One thing I will say though is, if this does not work for me, and this is literally the darkest bronzer shade that they offer, that's a little crazy. This actually smells like chocolate right now. Blends out very nicely. It's actually a lot darker than I would have thought it is. Oh, and the chocolate smell, you guys. If you don't know this about me, I'm obsessed with chocolate. But the packaging is so cute. I'm actually going to show you guys in a close-up. TooFaced. TooFaced. Everything that I have tried from TooFaced never let me down. Like, they literally have some freaking great products, like foundation, concealer, bronzer. So I picked up this NYX Prove It waterproof eyeshadow primer, and I actually heard great things about this, which is the reason I picked it up in the first place, because I do love the one by Urban Decay, but if I can find like a good other alternative, then I would definitely be down with that as well. So it does say apply to eyelid, set and let dry for a bit, apply shadow. And the reason you want to use your ring finger on around your eyes and on your eyes is honestly because out of all the fingers you have, the ring finger is the one that applies the least amount of pressure, and because the skin around your eyes is so delicate, you just want to go in with the least amount of pressure. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to set the eyeshadow base. It's just a teeny tiny little bit of powder. I'm not going to be applying a whole lot, but just because I have hooded eyes, so I feel like my lids are still trying to stick to the top, which is a good sign because that means obviously the eyeshadow is gonna stick to my lids way better. Next, I picked up the Urban Decay Born to Run eyeshadow palette, which is this guy right here. And you guys, I have been so freaking excited about this, okay? Before I picked this up, I actually thought about getting the Naked Cherry palette, but after looking at the colors, I was thinking, you know, you have so many shadows that are very similar that I honestly just didn't feel like just getting it. It just wasn't really giving me a lot of creative vibes or something. And I remembered this guy came out too. And when I compared both of those, my heart told me, listen, you definitely need to go with the Born to Run palette. So this is the palette right here. It already looks so beautiful, you guys. It comes, oh my gosh. These are the shadows. I just felt like you got more of a variety with those. The cherry palette is like very warm toned, a lot of reds and stuff like that. This is actually the thing I was most excited about. This palette is very heavy. I love it because that's a good sign, okay? Spending a little bit of cash on, so it should definitely have some quality. So I'm going to go into Riff, which is this perfect transition shade right here. Great pigmentation, very blendable, great quality. I'm also going to go into Still Shot, which is this beautiful apricot color right here, also with the same brush, and just apply that over Riff. I could actually do a lot of different eyeshadow tutorials with this palette. If you're interested, leave me a comment down below. So I'm going to go in to Baya, which is this shade right here, this orangey shade. And I'm just gonna apply that on my outer corner. Wow, look at the pigmentation, you guys. So next I'm going into this beautiful shade right here, which is called Wild Heart. It's okay, but it's definitely not one of the greatest shadows I've ever used. It's just a freaking pretty color though. Let me make sure that this brush is actually wet. Alright, for the eyes I'm actually gonna leave it just like that. I'm gonna apply some lashes and then I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, now other two lip products that I picked up were those by Karl Lagerfeld in cooperation with Model Company. I just thought the packaging was so cute, you guys. I got a lip gloss and this one is in the shade Kiss Me Carl. And then I also got a liquid lipstick that is in the shade Merengue. I mean, the packaging, just look at the packaging, you guys. It's already like everything. There's actually some plastic that you can peel off, and you have a little mirror, which is very convenient, you guys. You don't know how often I'm on the run somewhere and I'm just like, okay, let me reapply my makeup or whatever, and it just 9 times out of 10 does not work. All right, I'm gonna swatch the lip gloss. Just, oh my gosh, you guys, are you freaking kidding me right now? This actually comes with a freaking integrated light. Look at this. This is freaking genius. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know that. Oh my gosh, I'm like so obsessed. Which is so cool as well, because if you as Look at this, look at this. This is freaking genius. If you're somewhere at the club or somewhere, you know, and you're trying to reapply your lip product, you can totally do that, and you don't even need a mirror, you don't need nothing. I'm not gonna lie, lip color is kind of like a fail. I mean, it is a pretty color, but the truth is the pigmentation is just not there. I don't really like the formula. I guess we're finished. I definitely love the eyeshadow palette. I also like the foundation. For the summertime, this works, as you can tell, but for the winter time, I would actually have to go up a shade. But I really like so far how it looks, how it sits. I think that it mattifies enough without being super matte. Obsessed with the bronzer. Also really like the eyeshadow primer, you guys. I feel like it did a great job of priming, but it still lets you blend it and everything. It is really sticky, so I'm gonna have to try it out without setting it, and just to make sure that you can, I don't know, just see how it performs without setting it. The lip products are kind of mediocre for me. They're not the greatest in my eyes, but the packaging definitely gets like an A+. So you guys, that is it from me. Let me know in the comments down below if you actually enjoy videos like this. Which videos do you like better? Do you rather like to see hauls, or do you rather like this trying new products type of makeup tutorial thing, to where we actually try those products out with you and just show you my life real reaction on camera? Other than that, I love you guys, and I'm gonna talk to you guys soon.